Online teaching. We are discussing chapter 7th, manufacturing industries. This is geography part. Here we will be discussing module 10th. In 9th we discuss about the fertilizer and cement industry. Here we will discuss about automobile industry. You know that it is one of the most important industry. One of the important as well as developing industry. You can see all the means of transport are the basis of the country. That may be basis of the country. Even the goods can be sent from one place to another. Even export and import, that are also an important part of this automobile industry even. Okay, now what we may say that now you can see two-wheelers, 3 and 4-wheelers. These are important part. You can see that if we compare with 50 years back, in India these scopes of automobile, they were limited. The people were not having sufficient money, or you may say the economic condition of the people was not good. But due to foreign direct investment and liberalization, this industry has proceeded a lot. You can say that after 2000, this industry has, you may say, good impact on the people. And you say maximum people are related to this work, related to this industry. Even we may say that, you may say that the different showrooms are there, and on that a number of the people that are skilled or unskilled, they are getting the work. So this automobile industry, one of the, and even you can see in Delhi, Gurugram, Kolkata, Chennai, Bengaluru. These are some of the few places where this automobile industry, or you may say some of the industries, has been set up in these. Now you can see some of the branded names of the automobiles that are in India, and they are the base of the, you may say, country as well as the industry also, because agriculture, mineral based industry, totally dependent on this transport, and good network of transport will help the industries. And even you can see that 15 manufacturing plants are set up in India. Which one are the branded one? And out of, and even 14 of the two three-wheelers and nearly 9 to 10 are of the two-wheelers. It means different products that are available. So this industry is one of the flourishing industry, we may say, where a lot of options and opportunities are there, and due to the good economic condition of the people, this industry is flourishing. Okay, now next is IT sector and electronic industry. It is also an important part of this, we may say. You can see nowadays computer, laptops, mobiles, TVs, LCDs, LEDs, cellular pages, a lot of things are there, even we can't imagine. So it means this sector is also one of the important sector. And maximum employment, even we may say maximum employment, and out of that 30% are the women. you can see that this is also, you can say this is the time of information and technology sector. All the hardware, software, all the computers, all the working are related to this IT sector. Now you can see that online, everything is going online. Nowadays, even due to this corona, the teachers, the students and the authorities, a lot of these are related to IT sector. Okay. And even some of the hub places are there. Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi, Noida, Coimbatore, Hyderabad. These are some of the places where this IT sector is growing. And Bengaluru is known as the electronic capital of India. Is known as electronic capital of India. You can see that maximum IT sector. Even you can see in Kerala, maximum literacy rate is there, and even some of the towns and cities are there where totally IT, or you may say information technology and online things are used. These are the one of the important regarding this information and technology sector. And you can see it is also helped by this foreign direct investment. It is also helped by FDI, foreign direct investment, and even globalization and liberalization, because open door policy. And due to this, different companies throughout the world, they are moving towards India, because India is a growing country, India is a growing sector, and maximum of the countries, they are looking towards India, especially in IT sector, electronic industry. This is one of the important thing regarding India, and you can say that the status of India is also increasing. We are in the first 20th, or nearly progressing towards first 10 places regarding the use of IT sector. Okay, this is also an important part. And even maximum employment, and even day night shifts are there. And you can see in national capital, in our Delhi and Gurugram, a lot of persons are engaged, and even maximum are the women. So this is also an important part for the country, especially like India.